Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to use Call AI app to track calories. So to get started with it, work around on how you can easily use the Call AI to track your calories. So the first thing to do is your first step is to download the app. So go to your Apple Store or Google Play Store and search for Call AI and install the app on your device. Now on the step to create your profile. So to create your profile, open the app, then enter your age, your height, your weight, your goal, your lose/your gain, your maintenance weight. Then the app will give you a daily calories target. So on your step 3, you have to log a meal. So choose one of these. So you can take a photo of your food, scan a barcode or packaged food, or speak or type what you ate. Then after that, on step 4, confirm the calories. Tap the show the calories and nutrient. Then from there, tap confirm to save it or edit if it's not accurate. Then on step 5, repeat the process every meal. Then log for your breakfast, your lunch, your dinner, snacks each day. Then on step 6, track your progress. Check your daily total and how many calories you have left. And that's how you can easily use the Call AI app to track your calories. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.